basically this is going to be a quick video on how to diagnose, well not diagnose, but how to tell whether or not you've got a good or faulty alternator. What I've got from our friends in China, a cheap little voltmeter, and it doesn't come with these crocodile clips, but we've put some on so you can connect them to your battery. You can hardwire this into the car so you've got a permanent reading, but we've got it as like a mobile one so we can check each battery and anything for the voltage. So we're going to connect up the red one to the red one. So we go. And then black one to the black. And then if it's reading the battery voltage, which for this battery is 12 volt, so if the reading is coming to 12 volt, that means the alternator is faulty. So if I've got 14, then I know my alternator is good. There you go, I'm getting 14 volts on the reading. And yeah, so that's telling me I have got a good alternator. But if I was getting only 12, and 12 is the battery reading, that means my alternator isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing. But yeah, that was a quick how to see if your alternator is good or not. And yeah, if you've not been using your car a lot recently, you can see, and it's not started again, then you know whether it's the battery that's down, if it's not starting up the next time, or whether it's your alternator that's giving you issues. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a quick thumbs up, let me know in the comment section what you thought, and yeah, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you, and see you in the next one.